Oh.
Why do I get the feeling that I'm about to ruin a full face of makeup? Here goes. That was such an error, it's not even funny. The question is, will adding more make it better or worse? Worse. I think maybe I should have gone for a lighter shade. It's fine. It's not like I spent an hour on this makeup look.
Oh my god.
Trying the fake freckle hat. Practice run. Let's do this, bitches. Here we go. I'm going out after this. I think I need more. Whose idea was this? All on my white top. I'm actually obsessed. Let's do henna freckles for the henna bug. Mix, 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 daddy. Keep mixing. Apply henna freckles. Keep applying wherever you want. I'm scared gonna sleep and see how it looks in the end. It's the next morning. Don't wash face, peel them off.
This is how to get the best fake freckles ever. Now, I have quite a few natural freckles that come out in the summer, but they're not very consistent across my face. So I've been using this little trick recently that I discovered to get freckles. So I use this. It's a brow gel. It's just from Collection. It's nothing fancy. And I use a little brush to basically put little dots on my finger. Like this. All different sizes. And then I literally just dab them on my face. Now, they initially start to look quite dark, but if you keep pressing it in and rubbing it, it'll come out looking really natural. And they're not very, like, uniform, so they look like my real freckles, like the ones on my forehead. Perfectly match. Look at that. I take you home and I want to get you hard. You're just a carrot when you're screaming and you're shouting for more crackers, please. More crackers, please. You want what you want, but you don't want to be. I got reasons, that's your head.
Fake freckle tutorial. Sorry, I know this is kind of ghetto, but it does the job.